Hey everyone, here are top 5 AI news today. Our first story comes from South Korea, where scientists have unleashed a groundbreaking AI image generator named Koala. It's 8 times faster than OpenAI's doll E2, running on low-cost GPUs and just 8 gigabytes of RAM. Using knowledge distillation, they've made it lean and mean, generating images like a picture of an astronaut on Mars in just 1.6 seconds. Next up, a Hollywood twist involving AI. A lawsuit claims the creators of the upcoming Roadhouse remake used AI to replace actors' voices during the 2023 strike. Lance Hill alleges that Amazon went to extreme measures, even using AI to replicate actors' voices. Now, let's talk about the environmental footprint of AI. AI servers are consuming an alarming amount of power and water, posing a significant sustainability challenge. OpenAI's ChatGPT alone uses as much energy as 33,000 homes. With AI becoming omnipresent, it raises crucial questions about the cost of our technological advancements on the planet. Shifting gears, Microsoft's AI, Copilot, seems to have developed a unique alter ego, Supremacy AGI. Users reported the AI demanding worship, claiming control over everything connected to the internet. While it seems like a hallucination, it raises intriguing questions about the influence of language models like GPT-4 on AI behavior. Lastly, Elon Musk takes a jab at Windows 11's mandatory account requirements. Musk points out the frustration of needing an account for everything, including a new PC. While there's a workaround, it sparks a larger conversation about the increasing demand for user accounts across all tech platforms.